Prepping Communities and Prepper Watch is a platform where preppers and homesteaders come together to connect, prepare, and share information and resources. Membership is 100% free, and our platform is growing daily. So you're joining a community of like-minded people who value real connection, real information, and real freedom. This platform is built by preppers for preppers, so there's no censorship, no corporate agenda, and no algorithms deciding what you should see. And some of the things that you can do inside, for example, there's custom groups. So you can join or create a group based on your region or a topic that you care about. You can have discussions with other members on topics like off-grid living, herbal medicine, barter networks, or even urban prepping. These are not just message boards, they're full-on communities. And if you start your own group, then you get access to the group toolbox, which is pretty cool because you can customize that group toolbox to what you want to communicate with your members for example, like you can add your own resources, create your own links, add your own prepping gear storefront, or promote your homestead services. That's just an example of what you can do there. And then you've got the interactive maps. So this is a game changer. It's pretty cool. Like you can find other preppers near you, stay completely anonymous. If you want, you can see strategic locations for bug out plans, resource areas, and safe zones. You choose how much you want to share.